Modern military technologies are evolving rapidly, and new threats are emerging on the battlefield that challenge even the most advanced combat vehicles. This is particularly true for tanks, which have traditionally been the backbone of armored forces. One such tank that has gained attention in the British Army is the Challenger 3, a modernized version of the well-known Challenger 2. This tank promises to become a key element in future operations, boasting enhanced firepower, protection, and mobility. However, its successful use in the face of new challenges will depend on its ability to adapt to changing threats, such as drones and precision-guided munitions. The development of drone technology and weapons such as loitering munitions and high-speed drone attacks is already noticeably shifting the dynamics of warfare. The conflict in Ukraine has demonstrated how drones can effectively target even the most protected tanks, bypassing traditional protection systems, including reactive armor. This poses new challenges for developers of combat vehicles, requiring innovative solutions in the areas of defense and countermeasures. Therefore, the Challenger 3 tank, despite its improvements, needs to be equipped with new protection systems to counter airborne threats. One of the key features of the Challenger 3 is its modernized armor, which utilizes the latest materials to enhance protection against kinetic and explosive threats. Additionally, the tank is equipped with an active protection system (APS), designed to neutralize anti-tank missiles. However, with the growing use of drones and top-attack munitions, these protective systems need further enhancement. One of the potential solutions is the integration of next-generation active protection systems designed to counter low-flying threats such as drones and loitering munitions. The development of laser systems for countering drones and the enhancement of electronic warfare capabilities to disrupt drone control signals will become crucial elements in ensuring the tank's survivability. Systems capable of effectively combating threats such as drone swarms could become key to protection on the battlefield. Equally important is the integration of anti-drone weapons on the tank, such as remotely controlled combat modules with automatic guns or machine guns. These systems will provide additional protection and improve the tank's ability to cooperate with other air defense assets on the battlefield. As a result, the future of the Challenger 3 depends not only on traditional attributes such as firepower and armor but also on its ability to adapt to new threats. It is essential that this tank can effectively counter drones, loitering munitions, and other precision-guided weaponry. Investment in advanced protection systems and technologies will be crucial for its long-term effectiveness on the battlefield.